Good morning. You can see in the Eurodollar weekly chart this total indecision of what we've been doing the last few weeks. We have been oscillating between roughly the 50% fib down just under the 200-week moving average. Now on this bar here, which was the middle of December, we didn't get to the 61.8, but we did hit this little trend line I drew in, and we bounced. Now we're being captured here by the 21-week period moving average, which is just in front of that 50% line at 144.47 or 1447. So this is the band we're looking at. We are in a band. Markets do step in bands. They go up, then they come down, they step, and that leaves them time to gather a bit of momentum without, markets, as we know, especially with the euro, do not go up and down very, very quickly. They tend to go down in quite an orderly fashion. This was quite different because we topped here and therefore the big move down followed. Now we haven't really seen the euro break lower, and we won't unless we break this 111.86. That's the key. Okay, for the rest of the time we've been trading in this sideways pattern. Now obviously with a sideways pattern you can pick roughly the tops and the bottoms. If you look at what it's done this week, we've actually still holding on to that 200-week moving average, and even when we've broken it, we've closed back above it. So although it's not looking brilliant, until we do make that break below here, I think we're just gonna fiddle about within this area here. Okay, watch that 200-week moving average on the close. That is coming in at 113.14. now if the close is below there, then we have a problem, Houston, because the market will then take the next step lower, which will be down within this area here. We could go even lower. Now at the moment the weekly stochastics are showing that we're still going to be pointing higher. Our RSI neutral but turning lower. This one still isn't out of the downtrend. Okay, we've come back to the zero line, but we haven't yet broken it. This is what we need to do. We need to do this quickly. So let's just take a look at the daily chart. Now you can see the daily chart is looking quite a mess. We've got the monthly pivot coming in at 1407, the weekly coming in at 1418, and the daily coming in at 1388. We're trading below that at the moment. We're trading at 1361, but up from yesterday's close. Now we need to get above that 113.88 area to show any sign of recovery. If we don't, if we fail to break above there, then I do believe that the market is going to come down and we're going to test this area here, which is coming in at 1216. Okay, as I said, you can look at this euro. It is on the daily chart looking a mess. So I think with the euro, what you're better off doing is just taking the position, selling on rallies, buying back when it gets down to lower levels, buying the lower levels, and just play this mess of a range that I can't really see anything coming out of it. We've got the 55-day moving average intersecting with the 21-day moving average, and they're coming in at 113.77 and 113.74. There's the key. If we can't break above there, then unfortunately the euros will go lower. Good luck, and I will catch you all tomorrow.